Hello everybody, so today I will talk about trigonometry. The topic today is about find the value of cosine 15. So now I will show you the technique. We have cosine 30 degrees. That's equal to cosine number 2 multiplied with 15. So in this situation, we know that cosine 2a equal to 2 cosine a squared minus 1. So we will apply this formula in here, and that should be about 2 cosine a squared. That should be about 15 minus number 1. So in this situation, we put negative number 1 go to the left, and we divide both sides with number 2. Later that we put the square root in the both sides, and we got about cosine 15 degree. We need to know that number 15 they are in the first quadrant, so they should be about cosine should be greater than number 0. So we have cosine 15 degrees. We got about the square root. We put cosine 30 degrees plus 1 divided by 2. And we know that cosine 30 degrees, that's about the square root of number 3 over 2. And we can simplify this one. That should be about the square root of 2 plus the square root of number 3 over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.